You are going to love the 2018 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: turbocharged, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, daytime running lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, rear wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, tires, front performance. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.